My name is Dougst Hoyt, nature extraordinaire. You got a question about nature? I've got the answer about nature. I'm the man to go to with the plan to go to. I will give... So just stick with me. I'll teach you how to survive. Today we will be learning the keys to not perishing in the wild. If there's one thing you don't want to do in nature, it's perish. Come with me. Hold on. This is an important tip. We want to preserve as much water as possible. Water is the most valuable tip. It's the most valuable asset you can have in your surviving arsenal. It's not an arsenal of weapons, it's an arsenal of life. You are going into battle against Mother Nature, and she has all of her traps set up in the perfect places. Let me tell you, us men have been training for years and years how to fight up against the evil nature. Because nature is not our friend. Nature is a force to be reckoned with. Come with me, come with me. You see this flower right here? Let's just get a bushel. Just get a bushel. You see these? These are perfect flowers. They smell good. They look nice. But be warned, viewer. Poison. Don't eat them! Come with me, come with me. A little bit further. Let me ask you a question, viewer. If you see these flowers, do you A, eat them, B, not eat them, or C, leave them alone? That's right. Alright, come on, follow me. Follow me, camera. Try to keep up now. Alright. Alright. Pop quiz. You can eat this flower. It looks like the one you can't eat. But trust me on this.
Dougst, it's okay. Just hold it. Dougst. You alright, Dougst?
I'm not crying. I thought the yellow flower was the pink flower. That's why I ate it. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like nature. Bears will kill you if they get the chance. Here is what I'm gonna tell you. Bears are nature's assassins. Bears are nature's warriors. They're fighter jets. They're atomic bomb. The bear, it eats the dead. It's a scavenger. And if you scare it, the bear will walk away. And that means it thinks it's won. And it's man versus nature. You can't let that bear walk away. So, as the bear turns to leave, you throw whatever you can get your hands on at it. Rocks, stones, boulders, pebbles, bigger rocks, and you can hide it. It makes a great fur coat to keep you warm. You can wear it with pride. You have the pelt of an animal you yourself have killed.